Connecting an Ethernet cable RJ45 connector is simple. Use a crimping tool stripping hole to remove 3x4 cm of the outer sheath. Twist gently to avoid damaging the wires. Arrange the wires in the order: orange, blue, green, and brown. Untwist each pair. Place the white wires in front and swap the blue-white and green-white positions. Straighten the wires by pulling them through your fingers. Then cut them evenly to 1.5 cm. Insert the wires fully into the connector, ensuring they're all the way in. Use the crimping tool to press firmly, securing the connection. Repeat the same steps for the other end. If done correctly, the cable will work perfectly without testing and won't affect network speed. Simple and effective.